my name is Kamarul Hawari bin Ghazali. I've been with University Malaysia Pahang since 2002. Just a few months after UNP established, so I can be considered like a pioneer. I'm a professor, professional engineer, IR, professional technologist, TS. So whatever title I will choose for it. Professional engineer because when you are engineer, then you fulfill all the criteria by the Board of Engineering Malaysia, so you can go apply for the professional engineer. So as a lecturer, there is a rule by the Board of Engineering Malaysia. There must be a certain percentage of lecturer who has a title IR. So, as instruction from the university, so I go for applying professional engineering. So later, when you graduate, after 2 years working, you got all the experience, fulfill all the requirements by Board of Engineering Malaysia, and then you can apply as a professional engineer. If you are a professional engineer, they call it Tier 2. You can sign a drawing, and normally company will give you some percentage of the cost of the project when you are signing a drawing. But as for me, I'm a Tier 1. A Tier 1 is also a professional engineer in the field of electronic. So I cannot sign. Because if I want to sign, I have to go for professional engineer Tier 2. They call it Tier 2. That one, I have to go for another test, seat for another test, which is I didn't go for that because professional engineer in the field of electronics, the chance, the demand, what do you call it, to sign drawing in the field of electronics is very little. Normally, those who are professional engineer in electrical field, because we have two field, one is electric, another one is electronic. So electrical is more powerful. I mean, above the electronic. So if you have, if you are registered, if you are a professional engineer under the electrical, so you can sign the drawing of electrical as well as drawing for electronic. So a company normally hire or pay service for professional engineer electrical rather than electronic, because electronic is very limited. The electronic, they cannot sign the electrical drawing. Electronic just can sign an electronic drawing, but electrical can sign electronic because electrical is above electronic. So this one, professional technologist, TS. This is the new board. So as for you, because you are the Bachelor of Electrical Engineering, Electronic Engineering, so you can forget this body lah. I mean, go for the first body first. I mean, Board of Engineering rather than Malaysian Board of Technologies. So this is a research group. current research project, I have this project, Global Navigation Satellite System, GNSS. GNSS ni is a technology that used by for the positioning and navigation, your GPS, your handphone tu kan. Your handphone tu you have GPS, you set location, position, navigation. So that GPS is belong to America. GPS, they name it GPS. So the technology is GNSS, Global Navigation Satellite System. So I have involved with this project for the Global Navigation Satellite System, but not the America, but the GNSS belong to China. Because everything made from America, you can get it from China. Some of the technologies where China is more advanced compared to America. So I have this technology. Yeah? So this is my, as I said at the beginning of the class, I teach computer vision system since 2009. Now it's 2021. 11 years, more or less, 11 years. So I have knowledge on the computer vision system. But as I told you at the beginning of the class, sometimes knowledge is not enough. If later you graduate and work with industry, you feel that the knowledge still very, still not enough. Even maybe you feel that like what you learn from in the university, it is 360-degree different when you work with industry. So that is the normal situation later when you work with becoming engineer. So lately, I think start this year I'm trying to go for project with industry. It's not an easy work. Sometimes you feel that you have a lot of knowledge, but when you go to the industry, you need maybe your knowledge maybe just 10% or 5%. The rest you have to explore by yourself. Some of the knowledge you need to learn. You have to find a new knowledge in order to solve the industrial problem. So that's what I'm experienced now. I'm actually applying for sabbatical. Sabbatical means that lecturer can apply for on leave. They call it on leave, not the study leave. They call it sabbatical. Sabbatical means that you can go to the industry for a certain month, for example 1 year, and then university allow you. So I applying that sabbatical because there is one company in Shah offer me to work with them because they have the project on the computer vision or machine vision. But unfortunately, my application has not been approved. It's not approved. I have to withdraw the application at very last minute because of certain circumstances. So university asked me to withdraw the application, and then that's why our faculty give me one subject to teach. My target to go for sabbatical is because I'm doing some industrial project, because that company got one project lah. It's not one, a few projects on the mission, and then they don't have expertise on that. They don't have department on the mission or computer vision. So they offer me to do this project. Then so that's why I'm thinking to take paid leave lah, something like that, to work with the industry, inshallah, while off from duty as a lecturer. But unfortunately, due to the certain situation, I have to withdraw the application. But the project is still carrying on. But now I'm very busy doing one project. So this is the industrial project that has been accomplished. Done already. Car aircon ventilation inspection. So this project, last semester, I'll make it as one assignment to this group of students under the computer vision system. So this one has been done. So they are now testing. Maybe it will take 1-2 months before complete delivery. So this is a project, car aircon ventilation inspection. The aircon ventilation in the car. So for Perodua, so there is one vendor in Subang Bestari supply that van, car aircon van. So in order for them to check the quality, so now they are checking the quality of the van manually by human. So the company in Subang got the project to do the quality inspection by using machine. So I make it this one for them. So now currently they are using it now. So this is the latest one, glassware quality inspection. I'm doing it now. Still headache now to solve the problem. If I can show you one example. So my house now is become workstation for me. So this is we call it glassware. Glassware lah, pinggan, tableware, glassware. Plate lah. To be exact, is a plate. So there is a factory in Ayitam, Johor. If you are from Johor, maybe you know this company, Clayton. Clayton is very top brand for clay. So now they make this for the brand Clayton. It's very famous. So now they are producing 12,000 this 12,000 plate pinggan ni per day. Sorry, 8,000 per day. So they want to increase to make it 12,000 per day. So all the process is manual, especially at the quality inspection. So if you look at this is crack. You can see crack. See crack. So there is an operator who will check this crack manually. They will check like this. Check. Oh, crack. Then they will sort it. Throw it away. So now they want to make it a system. So I will put a camera here. Camera. Let me show you. So this is my workstation. So I will put a camera here to capture the plate, then check the crack. So this will do it automatic lah. Conveyor robot, pick and place. So there are 5 defects on the plate: pinhole, crack, poor finishing, oversized, and black dot. It's very challenging, As I tell you, you have knowledge. Knowledge means that image processing or computer vision can perform to check crack. Yeah, you have all the knowledge. You have all the theory. So can you do it? So that is another challenge. Another challenge. I'm still my brain now is full with the how to find a solution. Plus teaching you all of from this subject. Okay, so that is the experience lah. I think this is I involved with this project this year, early this year. The first project is okay, so I feel confident. So I go for the another project with that company, automation company. So they make all the automation, conveyor, robotic, mechanical mechanism, and when come to the computer vision, they don't have expertise. So they offer me. So I say I can practice what I know. So now it's become the headache, how to solve, because it is actually you can easily solve all the problem by having good equipment. The camera itself, the cost of the camera is up to the normal camera, 12,000 ringgit. I just use a very cheap camera, 800 ringgit. You saw just now the lighting system. Good lighting system. The cheap one is 2,000 ringgit. But I just use the normal LED fluorescence, maybe 25 ringgit. So that's why I say it is headache. But if success, then we will feel like wow. So I can offer my knowledge or my service to any small medium enterprise who don't have a bigger budget, but they want a automatic system on their production. Some of them, like I experienced working with the vendor of Perodua for this one, for car aircon ventilation inspection for two model, Beza and Azia. If you drive Beza, so the aircon ventilation is made by one of the factory in Subang. So the system is made by the quality inspection system is made by me. I can say that. So if you see there is no quality, then you know, why, that's why no quality, because lecturer doing it. If you see, this is good quality, then you know why it is good, because the lecturer from UMP doing it. I don't know lah. Okay. So supervise more than 21. This is not very important now. Now I can feel new challenge, working with industry. I may offer. I got this project, the new one, glassware quality inspection, for the clay tank in Ivy Town, Johor. And I think last few months, I made an advertisement to find engineer. I proceed to my group. I mean the last semester, because I teach computer vision system last semester. But none of the students want to. I don't know. Maybe they are not yet graduated, or maybe they afraid, because I put the requirements, computer vision subjects, image processing or MATLAB as a first requirement, and the second one is Raspberry Pi or Arduino. So none of the group last semester applying for engineer for that post. So I've been interviewed 5 to 6 candidates for a position as engineer, but not many. I mean, only one, if I'm not mistaken, one of them taking image processing or computer vision. The rest, they don't take computer vision subject. So it is very important for you. These are 36 with me now in the Google Meet. Because I've experienced interview engineer. So trying to understand what you learn from your course, because that is the indicator for employee to hire you based on if you are fresh lah. If you are experienced, maybe there is other way to interview. But if you are fresh, they will look at what you learn in the university. As for me, there are 2 or 3 requirements for me. Image processing, because the engineer will work with this computer vision or machine vision project. Of course, I want engineer who has the knowledge on image processing, and Next is a Raspberry Pi or Arduino. Because when you do the image processing or computer vision, you want to interface with the PLC. Because PLC will control all the robotics, sensors, pick and place, conveyor, so on. So you design your system by computer, then of course you want to deploy your program into the processor, right? So that processor either a PC or any type of processor. So you need to have a knowledge on hardware as well. Okay, what else we have? So let's see the teaching plan and assessment for this subject. Elective faculty, computer vision system. So this course introduces students to the principle of computer vision, which include image formation, low-level image processing, theory and techniques for extracting features from images, measuring shape and location, and recognizing and classifying objects. Students will be exposed to design project using image processing software. So this is the outcome. So at the end of this course, you will be able to learn. You will be able to explain or have a knowledge on the image processing, computer vision. Because now we want to design a system that can replace human eye. Sensor. So a lot of things, a lot of tasks can be done by computer vision. I mean, to replace a human, because most of the manufacturer factory, they are still using human for some tasks, especially for the quality inspection. So I think during this pandemic, it is very difficult for manufacturer or company or factory to hire a labor worker from Bangladesh, Myanmar, India, due to the COVID. So that's why now they are thinking to automate their production. So one of the automation system is at the quality inspection, or any part or any station which is use human visual. So we can replace that task or station by computer vision. So that process can make it automatic and consistent, very fast, and at the end of the day, the factory can get the return of investment. So that's why. So this subject is very, very important. If later on you want to go and work as an engineer in a factory, you will experience this computer vision. If you are not designing a system, if you are maintaining a machine, I believe now a big company or factory or multinational company, they are all using vision already. This is very common now. So it is good for you if you can focus and take it very serious, not only to get good grade, because last semester the worst grade the students got for this subject is A minus. No, A minus. I'm a little bit shocked because A minus is a lowest grade. Some of the students may not experience to get E, except for this computer vision system subject. I'm also like surprised after giving all the marks. Oh, the lowest is A minus. That's why I told you I'm not feeling good when teaching, this online, because I can feel your difficulties, your struggle, But I'm not sure whether the grade that they got last semester reflect the knowledge that they acquired from this subject. At least they can say lah, or image processing enough lah. Okay, so this time I hope that you can follow very close. If you don't understand, then I'm more than happy to help you for knowledge. If you are good, then you will graduate next semester good in image processing, then come and join my company. It's not my company, my friend's company, under my department. Because I'm thinking to go to the small medium enterprise, because the knowledge the technology that I have, I can offer at the affordable price. There are a lot of companies outside there, very big company, maybe you know, like National Instruments, Amron, Keynes, all the automation company from Japan, Taiwan, China, even China, US, UK. National Instruments is very big, Amron is very famous on automation, especially PLC and also robot. So they have all this kind of technology. But it is very expensive because they already make the system easy to use. I mean, if you use their technology to design a system, computer vision system, you don't have to go to the low level. Where is it just now? Low level language, low level image processing. No. It is high level image processing. You don't know what's going on the image processing. If you see the problem, if you see the object, then you say that you want to use color. So this company has already provide to you everything. You just take it, plug and play, and then money. That's why it is very expensive. But I'm not doing it. I'm not using their software or their product. Now I'm developing my own product by using low-level language like Python, C, MATLAB, But mostly I use MATLAB lah. So it is a bit tough lah, but it is actually the same thing like the other technology. So you can imagine that uh, that I can offer at more affordable price. So this is the cost outcome. So at the end of this course, you are able to explain the concept of computer vision, select and evaluate appropriate technique of image processing, design and develop a vision system application, demonstrate the social culture global and event. I think this course outcome ni there are revision version of the course outcome. So most likely the context is same, but it's only having three. 1 and 2 combined, 3 and 4 is remain. So there are 3 course outcome. So this is the PO, COPO mapping, program outcome, course outcome. So this is assignment. But I think, yeah, it's same. Because last time they made a change on the final, but since we are going to have a physical, so all the assessment back to normal. The 3 project, assignment, test, and final. The total 100%. Okay. Any question? No. That's the introduction. Almost 1.5 hours.
Sir, can we get this slide?
Yeah, sure. I will upload to Kalam. Do we still have Kalam?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will upload to Kalam or any platform provided by university lah. Sure can. Okay. Before I would like to go. Maybe start at 3:30. Just a little bit on the okay, this one. 15 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Hopefully you are still with me. Introduction, we have this one, computer vision system. This is the name of the subject lah. Computer vision system in 4253, something like that. Then we have a machine vision system. Then we have digital image processing. So this is all related lah. Generally, this is same lah. This is about image processing, you know. But if we go to more details, there are a few differences, you know. It can be, as I told you just now, I'm involved with the industry on the second one, machine vision system. Machine. We develop the vision to interface with machine, robot, conveyor, hydraulic, pick and place. So that is the machine vision system. So basically, it starts from a computer lah, because you develop the vision in a computer. But if the camera is ready, I mean, you still need to have a computer lah to figure out how to set up. So that's why they call it computer vision system. Anything, any coding, any task, anything that you develop the system of vision, you must have a computer. That's why we call it computer vision system. And then after you develop the vision system, you want to use it and interface it with the machine, with a machine, any machine. Machine lah, robot, in a factory, automation, to make it automation. So we call it machine vision system. So both computer vision or machine vision or any vision you need to have a digital image processing. We process the image. We call it digital image processing. it is like our eye lah, kan. Kalau if you blur what is this subject all about, just think like now what you see, your brain will process it, right? So we want to make it that technology, yeah. Our eye is like camera. Camera see anything, any object, then send it to computer, then use a software to process it. So the processor like brain, camera is like eye. Itu je. It's very straightforward. So later when you finish your work as engineer, don't be afraid. You have to be brave. Kan? Ini takut-takut. Panggil interview pun tak datang. Takut rasa. No. Langgar je, lawan aja kan. You just go. Kan, orang ada apa? Apa dia kutuk kat belakang dia. Apalah student MP ni, gitu je lah. Then if you go for 2, 3, 4 interview, then you got experience already kan. Experience interview. Because the job is very competitive now. Very competitive. So you need to have all means to connect with the industry. Go and register LinkedIn. Jangan apa nama TikTok tu for entertainment okay lah, but go for LinkedIn. You have to go and have account in LinkedIn. That's social media for corporate lah, for engineer, for workers lah, because they are very focused. Jangan main TikTok aja kan. TikTok ni untuk hiburan boleh lah. So go for LinkedIn. Kat situ you will be connected to employee. So later when you have opportunity to go for interview which is related to this job, then you have the knowledge. At least you can say something lah. Have you learned this? Yes, I learned. Then okay lah. Dia tak akan tanya banyak-banyak je. Machine vision is also known as industrial vision or vision system. The machine vision system can consist of number of cameras, sometimes mounted over assembly line. Macam saya tunjuk tadi tu kan. It's not yet at the assembly line. Kalau nak tengok yang assembly line tu, I can show with you. Wait, I have saya tunjuk the assembly line. It's very good. Kalau if you have opportunity, I can bring you to go to the factory in Shah Alam to experience yourself. Kan? It's not only just talking kan. Cakap-cakap pun boleh lah tengok kat ni kan. So let me show you okay, this one. Precom fund. Wait, okay, this is the my technology. I am applying I call it ITIF or Machine Vision System for Automotive Industry. This is the one I told you just now. If you are still blur apa ni fan ni ni lah. This is for apa ni untuk for Beza or for Asia. I'm not very sure, but we make it for two model, Beza and Asia. This is we call it Jeep. Orang mechanical dia tahu lah Jeep. I don't want to show this one. This is the software. Start. Okay. Oh, done already. So this is the software, the machine vision system. This is the code. Low level lah, medium level, not really low. Code. So this is the prototype. That's why I said really Arduino. Just now your friends involved in Robocon. That is very good, you know. This is I'm also using Arduino. So we have a relay. This is a camera. Camera will become like a sensor. Kemudian dia check all this component. Then this is the interfacing lah, because when camera apa tu do the processing, camera capture, acquire image, send to the computer will process by the coding tadi, the scope. Kemudian dia akan interface with the robot and so on by using this PLC, by using this all electronic punya board. So this is the PC lah. This is me to prove that I'm involved with this project lah. Nanti cakap betul ke. So this is Omron robot. Macam tu lah. Apa tadi? Kalau awak dengar letak tu. Okay, sikit lagi 3 minit ni Sabar, hopefully jangan tidur lah. Pergi minum ke apa pun. So this is the machine vision. Kejap. Jadi sama lah. This is the video that I took from internet lah. Ni lah basically the machine macam tu lah. Tapi tak sampai boleh je buat macam ni, tapi saya tak. Macam saya sebut tadi, machine human eye, very easy kan. Last week I interviewed one engineer. He worked with a Japan company in Banting, make it remote control for Dyson product. So he told me that he maintained this one vision system station. So that's why I said normally a big company or international factory manufacturer, they have all this technology. So if you have a knowledge, then it's good for you. Later, when you want to go for to work as an engineer, then you have already the knowledge. You can tell them that you learn this subject. Yeah. Sama lah. Okay. This is the example. This is the example of kerja lah ni, but this is already I think last 2-3 years ago. Now, if you go to the job street or any job portal, there are a few vacancies on as engineer where the requirement is on the vision system, automation engineer, machine. Or if you very eager, or I mean you get all the knowledge after finish this subject, then you think that you want to work with this industry, come to me. Challenge you, come, we work together. A lot of project we can do. So see, to provide prompt service, to develop, improve customer support, follow through. So this is the job description of the Withrops. Withrops ni is one of the big company in Penang. Withrops. This company is not only now involved with the mission. They are also doing other automation project as well. Maybe diversified. Okay, so I think that's all for today. I would 1.5 hour. Hopefully, it gives you some motivation. Kan? The most most important is knowledge lah, get knowledge. Because there are a lot of opportunity out there. So if you have a few set of knowledge, then you are able to go to a few field. If the field is require you to have a knowledge on image processing or computer vision, then you have that knowledge already in your mind. Of course, you can't do. I mean, you are not able to develop system, but you have knowledge, employee confident with you. So once you get a job, and then you have to learn lah. Kan? Don't be afraid. Jangan takut. Go ahead. Jangan takut. Kan? Because in the field, in the working environment, there are two common. There are two fields. One is the design, another one is the maintaining. Maintain is that if you have a machine, then you need to maintain it. But design is more challenging and get more knowledge lah compared to the maintain, because maintenance normally you will maintain the same machine or equipment or system within maybe 2-3 years. But for the design, if you have a new project, there are new knowledge, there are new challenge, and new things that you will learn on the design. So that is a two different scope of working environment. So it's up to you, but for me, design is more challenging. But whatever job you get after you graduate later on, just go at it. Don't be selective lah, pilih yang ambil je kan kerja. Go for it. Berani, you have to be very brave, kan. Jangan takut lah, pergi dah je, biasalah, takut ni is normal. Saya dulu pun tak ada juga interview, I don't go to that interview, takut kan. Wah, very big company, very exclusive, then you feel like takut ni. So jangan ikut saya lah. So you have to be very brave, langgar je kan, penduduk langgar, dapat je belajar. Your willingness to learn to that is very important kan. Learn as much as possible. So same for this subject, maybe you get some information about this subject from previous student, then don't copy that lah, I mean, or take this subject easy. No, easy is second thing. Easy is easy lah, easy, but I would like to stress that knowledge is very important. At least you can say, oh, image processing, you learn image processing later. If there is opportunity for you to go for interview as an engineer which is involved with the machine, then you are very confident to say that you learn image processing. That's what I'm hoping for from this class. Okay, thank you very much. I hope that I can see you in physical maybe 2-3 weeks later. But I'm waiting any development from the top management. If we still having the online, then we just do the online. But if they ask us to go for physical class, so really hope to see you in Pekan one day. Thank you very much. If there is no question, I end my class at 1.5 hours here. So hope to see you next week. I will share this this video in YouTube. Then we get the link to a group WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye bye.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Professor. Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
Doctor.